there, everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about Facebook videos. We're specifically going to dive into how to manage your analytics within Facebook. We're going to talk about important KPIs, what you should be considering, and more. So it's going to be a great video. Let's jump into it. Hey there, my name is Brandon Brashears. I create daily marketing videos here on YouTube, so if you're looking to grow your brand or your business with digital marketing, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. I'm happy to answer questions, respond to them. So be sure to, if you have any kind of question at all, don't hesitate to reach out. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single video. Again, I make videos every single day here, so you're going to want to make sure and subscribe. All right, let's jump into today's video. Facebook is a fantastic platform when it comes to distributing video. Now, there's been a lot of reduction in organic reach. There's not the same level of discoverability that like YouTube has, for example, right? People aren't on Facebook searching for things. But it's a great way to still connect with your audience, and I do a lot of promoted videos on Facebook just as tests to continue to build out audiences, to drive people to offers, and really use it as a tool for marketing, right? That's what videos are fantastic at. They help you to connect with your audience, and so I think you should be doing video, and if you are doing video, absolutely you should be putting it on Facebook. Now, let's talk about how to tell if a video is doing well or not doing well. We're going to jump into the computer here in just a second. I'm going to show you exactly how to find all of the important analytics, what they are, and things. But before you start, I think it's important that you have an end objective in mind when it comes to video. What is the purpose of it? Are you trying to build awareness? Are you trying to build a retargeting audience? Are you trying to basically cast a net of people that are going to be segmented, that are going to be interested in a specific offer? Are you trying to build a community? Are you trying to sell a product? Are you trying to instill confidence in somebody by maybe showing reviews or benefits, or really understand what it is that you're trying to do with the video before you even get it out there? And as long as that's clear, you should be able to figure out and map a KPI that's going to be basically in line with that objective. If you have a KPI of this video is going to sell a product or a service, and then you're measuring it in how many views you get, those are misaligned goals, right? If you have sales in mind, you need to have revenue in mind. There has to be a way for that sale to happen. If you're just trying to build a retargeting audience, or you're trying to build just engagement audiences, things like likes, shares, comments, views, view time, all of those kind of vanity metrics are what you're going to focus on. So let's jump in the computer here. We're going to see exactly what you should be focusing on. We're going to go through where to find it and all that good stuff. So let's jump into the video. All right, to get insights inside of Facebook, you're going to go to your Facebook page. You're going to click on Insights, which is right up here. You're going to then click on Videos. Video Insights used to be directly inside of Facebook's page right here, but now it's inside of Creator Studio. Creator Studio is a pretty cool tool. I like that you can batch upload and do a bunch of other things inside of that, but we're going to talk about Insights here. So once you get into Insights, it'll take you to the page you're referencing. It'll be able to toggle between all of the pages that you manage and things here, which is pretty cool. So it's going to show you the most specific time frame. Let's do last 28 days here because I didn't have very many videos put up there. So it shows you just overall total page stats here. And then you have your breakdown of videos. So if you take a look, you can push the More Insights button. Now remember, it's important to understand what it is that your goal is when it comes to your videos. Are they going to be selling something? Are they going to be driving action? Are you trying to drive awareness? Are you trying to drive segmentation? What is the end goal here? So if we take a look at these video performance indicators here, it's got total minutes viewed. That's an important KPI in Facebook's terms because they have the watch time for monetization. So if you want to monetize your videos, you'll be able to see what the duration of videos viewed are. Then we have 3-second video views, 10-second video views, average video watch time. This is really a low number, and that's across the board. So watch time, like specifically within Facebook versus YouTube, is very low. And the reason for that is if we take a look, right, we have 1,600 impressions. And so as people scroll through their feed, the video will automatically play. And if they don't sit and watch it, that reduces the average video watch time, right? This video is about marketing, so it's not going to be for everybody. And especially because the videos that I put out, I have specific ads that I create for them to get them out to specific audiences, and not everybody's interested in them. So people do scroll through. But we can take a look here. We can see the top audience for this video, men 55 to 64. It's actually not surprising considering that Facebook is getting older in the demographic data. Average view time is 7 seconds. Again, that's not huge, but the estimated reach over the views, we had 221 10-second views. That's not surprising that it's so low in average time. Then we have the minutes viewed here. You can see what days they were viewed the most, where the views came from. Organic is 4%, paid is 96%. As again, I mentioned I was doing ads behind my videos. And then if we go back, we can take a look at other things here. 3-second views, it'll tell me the average view duration. We can take a look at 10-second views, audience retention, audience engagement. Most people, again, are scrolling through the feed, and the way that this works is a lot different than YouTube. People aren't actively searching out things. So the other thing that you can do is just manage your videos by which ones were shared the most, which ones were cross-posted the most, and basically other KPIs that are going to be important to you based on your specific objectives here. I hope that this made sense. If you have any other questions, be sure to let me know. But I'm going to hop back into the office now. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, need help with anything, if you want greater clarification on any of these points, be sure to comment down below. I really appreciate you watching and listening here. Be sure to subscribe. And again, let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next video, everybody.